right here. I don't know what's going on. There's something coming this way. They got all these cops. There was 4 cop cars coming running down here a while ago. This is a fool. He's going to go across 4 lanes of traffic.
If they don't stand up for
to get out of the Bojangles. This is a fool.
Then what happens?
Look at this fool.
Drop him back down a peg.
Watch him get hit.
You've got to.
Where you going, fool?
Maybe in some cases punish them depending upon what it is. Take away some of those
2028 ADX Effingham. A fool.